When I started out as a college professor, it didn't matter that my students had only a basic understanding of spreadsheets, statistics, and data analytics when they graduated. That was enough for most of them. They were only going to use statistics or spreadsheets sometimes. But now, things are very different. You have to walk into business knowing how to use a spreadsheet, how to understand data, and how to use Excel. That program has become so important to every aspect of the business world. Why? Because we do so much with data sets, and we have to have a basic tool that we all understand that helps us to use those data sets. So how can we help our students and our employees and ourselves get better with Excel? There's lots of opportunities and resources out there. But my co-authors, Teresa Stevenson, Susan Convery, and I have worked to put together a book that we think will help you, your students, or your employees learn a little bit more about Excel. Our new book, Using Excel for Business Decisions, is based on WBT Consulting, a small fictitious company that provides Excel and data analytics services for other businesses. This allows us to introduce not only Excel skills, but real-world applications of those skills across a variety of disciplines, scenarios, and businesses. In each of our chapters, you'll find 4 important pieces. First, an introduction to why certain Excel skills are so important and how they can be useful in a business setting. Second, links to a set of proprietary YouTube videos that walk through the basic steps to using the Excel tools that we've just introduced. Third, we provide a scenario where a client comes into the office, talks with the staff, and tells them what it is they need Excel to do for their business. And then the step-by-step instructions that will allow the user to build that tool. To go along with the scenario, we'll provide links on the Armin Dalton website to a set of raw data for the student or learner, as well as a completed project for the instructor. Finally, our chapters introduce a set of critical thinking questions that deal with a variety of issues: Excel skills, data use skills, critical thinking in business, as well as some ethical scenarios, all designed to help our students or learners put these Excel skills into context. Taken together, this book provides just what you need if you want to introduce Excel skills to introductory business students, to introductory information systems or data analytics students, to your employees if you're a manager, supervisor, or business owner, or for yourself if you just want to improve your own Excel skills. Hopefully, you'll take advantage of this amazing resource.